If you've been around Crescent City's beachfront park recently, you may have noticed the large art installations and fenced-off area around the cultural center and pool. These installations are part of what will become the Tolowa Cultural Trail, an immersive path through the park designed to educate visitors on the history and culture of the people who first called this land home, while preserving their stories in the process. From the beginning of the trail to its end near Battery Point Lighthouse, visitors will get to experience interactive art features and learn from informational panels. There will also be a 10-part video series accessible via QR codes throughout the trail. The area currently under construction will become the Welcome Station. According to the Tolowa Cultural Trail website, this station will introduce visitors to the Tolowa Cultural Trail and set the tone for the entire experience. To start off the experience, visitors will have to walk over a mosaic composed of 10,000 stones, symbolizing the estimated population of Tolowa Deni before the Euro-American invasion of the late 1800s. At the other end of the Welcome Station, only 504 stones have been placed, symbolizing the Tolowa Deni who remained post-contact. The Pebble Mosaic will serve as both a public art feature and a memorial to those who were lost and those who survived. It will also stand as a testament to the resilience of the Tolowa people, according to the Tolowa Deni Nation via Facebook. In October 2025, tribal citizens came together for a Setting of the Stone ceremony, where attendees could write their ancestors' names on the backs of the stones before they were embedded in the concrete. Although the names are no longer visible, they've become a permanent part of the trail and its story. With support from several grants, the City of Crescent City has collaborated with the Tolowa Nation, Tolowa Deni Nation, Elk Valley Rancheria, and Del Norte Historical Society to bring this project to life. While there are features yet to be installed, the city has a tentative opening date set for fall 2026. For updates on the Tolowa Cultural Trail, visit tolowaculturaltrail.com. Be on the lookout, a full video on the Tolowa Cultural Trail is coming soon.